Sometimes I don't know the reason why, so I guess I'll keep gambling. Lots of moves and lots of rambling. Well, it's easier than just waiting around to die. Well, one time, friends, I had a mirror, I even had a purr. He beat her with a belt once, close she cried. She told him to take care of me. She headed down to Tennessee. Well, it's easier than just waiting around to die. Then I came of age and I found a girl in a Tuscaloosa bar. She cleaned me out and she hit it on the side. Well, I tried to kill the pain. I bought some wine off the train. Well, it was easier than just waiting around to die. And a friend said he knew where some easy money was. We robbed a man and brother, did we fly. But the posse caught up with me and they dragged me back to Muscovy. And now it's 2 long years waiting around to die. Now I'm out of prison and I got me a friend at last. And he don't steal or cheat or drink or lie. Well, his name is Codeine and he's the nicest thing I've seen. And together we're gonna wait